I started this channel to share my cooking techniques and recipes with anyone who wants to learn how to cook, bake, or just loves to watch food being prepared. I want to share my native creations with other people around the world who have a desire to be a chef or who just wants to create great meals for their families. I'm looking for connections with people that have the same love for cooking and watching others enjoy a good meal. Even I like to watch other people create dishes. It's satisfying to see. So, if that's you, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get updates every time I upload a video or other content. From time to time, I want to go live and have real conversations while we cook together in the near future. Like, comment, or share to help me grow my channel and keep making how-to and reviews videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay tuned for more content from Chef Lifestyle.